Which gift box will you choose? The choice is yours. Let's start. Choose your house: slime, rainbow, or gold. That rainbow house looks like it's about to collapse. Time to pick a bed. That gold one is crawling with rats. Hard pass. Choose your toilet paper holder. No toilet paper left? That's just evil. Ice cream time. There are cockroaches in the rainbow one. Gross. Would you rather eat maggot ice cream or subscribe to this channel? Let's get you some nice smelling perfume. Did you make the right choice? Choose a toilet. I hope you didn't pick the rainbow one. Choose your phone case. So cool. Staircase time. Those rainbow stairs look insanely dangerous. Cake time. Floor cake with ants? Disgusting. Let's have some fun on a roller coaster. Did you choose wisely? Would you rather ride this deadly roller coaster or like this video? Choose your castle. That rainbow castle is literally falling apart. Time to relax. Choose a bathtub. Are you happy with your decision? Pick a bag. That gold bag looks cheap plastic. Choose a crown. You'd look good in any of these. Choose your couch. Such funky couches. Who's hungry? Choose a burger. That slime burger is straight up rotten. Which pool do you want to dive into? Honestly, I want to try them all. Pick your headphones. Hope you didn't choose the rainbow ones. Bounce house battle. Which one did you choose? Choose your nails. Those rainbow nails are a total disaster. Choose your chandelier. Did you make the right choice? Which watch belongs on your wrist? Cupcake time! That gold one has seen better days. Pick a clock. Did you choose wisely? Choose your night lamp. I could sleep with any of these. Which car do you prefer? Awesome choice. Playground time. Which one would you play on? Choose your AirPods. Those gold ones look painful to wear. Pick a door. Hope you didn't choose the broken rainbow door. Let's play an instrument. Bet you've never seen instruments like these before. Time to upgrade your shoes. Are you happy with your decision? Which milkshake are you ordering? Why is the slime one on the floor? Choose your ring. So fancy! Thanks for watching! We hope you had tons of fun. Check out more fun quiz videos on our channel. See you again soon on Quizzical Galaxy. Bye for now!